This product changed my life. This product changed my skin forever.
This is my holy grail.
My ride or die.
The 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. It has truly transformed my skin for the better.
I actually get excited to go to bed at night so I can apply it and wake up the next day and see like my skin and see the glow.
I suffered from a combination of dehydrated and oily skin, and I had frequent breakouts.
After using the 2% BHA, I found that breakouts either don't happen at all, or that they are much shorter and that they don't leave behind really harsh scarring.
And this was the first exfoliating product that I used that actually calmed my skin and helped my skin heal.
It's not difficult to use. You don't have to do it any type of special way. You literally just put it onto a cotton pad and you apply it, and then you're done.
I know that it's gonna work exactly how it says it's going to. There's nothing that's gonna replace this at this point.
It is my favorite product in the entire world. I never skip a day.
The more you use it, the more results you see, and it has transformed my skin.